Love to paint and decorate? Love to search Pinterest for tier tray ideas, but don't want to take the time to source the supplies? Our DIY box includes everything you need to take the stress out of creating and give you more time to enjoy the painting process. The brushes, wood, stencils, and the paint are all included in each kit. June 1st, we're shipping out our bee-themed DIY box. Each project takes a few hours to complete, a new tradition to decorate your home and take some time for yourself. Manage your own subscription for 1 month or the full year. You control your subscription to skip, switch themes, or cancel at any time. There is no commitment. Choose from our selection of over 30 seasonal themes to paint. Homeworks Etc. is here to make it simple, easy, and fun to create at home. Learn more about our monthly tier tray subscription boxes that are all designed and manufactured in Langley, BC, Canada. Check out our website at homeworksetc.ca.